gamit, Nene?
Wow, what's that?
Wonderful.
I was
What's that?
surprise pa yun
sa
amin. So,
yeah. Wow!
Oh,
yes. Sa bata or sa matatanda.
Wow! Siguro natin, Angie!
And Arthur, alam ko part
Thank
ng
you.
episode 4.
Angie! I like it!
Kasama mo yung mga Dapper Cats natin sa Canada. How is it working with them?
Welcome,
You take a picture like that. Take a picture. No, wait.
Give me a kiss after that, ha?
No, wait.
Papa Jen. Tita Jen is Auntie.
Kiss Tata Jen and Auntie. Thank you. Tata Jen too. And Long Grace too. Thank you.
And Mama too. And Mama too.
Mahalang bahay ng fish na yan. Sabihin mo sa kanya kami mga kaya dyan.
Bukit. Kanya na family dyan. Yung malaki. Bukit na Linen.
Oh, wow! That's from Mama. Noah now.
Dora. Oh.
I like it.
You like it?
I will work first.
You like it, Linen?
Yeah. Thank you.
I have to give my word.
Ay, naku. You're welcome.
Si Mama. Yan eh. Wow. Assemble that daddy.
Na naiiba
Kay mami to fix it.
yung istorya.
Daddy. Give it to Daddy to fix it.
Thank you very much. Alam mo na.
Ng isang napakagaling na
Pag natin mga laman niya rin na ano.
Thank you. I say thank you, everybody. Thank you. You open the
Everybody.
Everybody.
Hindi na, i-fix yan. Ay, ganda.
Pero nung ginawang soap,
May ito pang...
ganda.
No, we can't open it.
Ginawang soap.
Fix mo na.
Fix mo na yun, Dad.
O, no more, no more. O, no more na.
Ay, hindi ka sa'yo. Wala na. Ubus na. Okay? Kawan?
Okay,
At home. At home.
Ay, nakalimutan kayo.
Give it to Daddy.
Wow, that's heavy.